Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Pearl and today I'm going to be working on day 4 of my December daily. When we left off, my day 3 was in a 3x8 right here. So I know that I need to do a 3x8 here for day 4, and then for today's I'm going to put in here and hopefully get that video up tomorrow. So I know I needed to fill that 3x8 page protector. So here I have a picture of my son helping me put up the Christmas tree, and I wrote, "We got the Christmas tree out of the garage and he helped build the tree this year. We have a fake tree because of allergies." I love fresh trees, but because of allergies we just use a fake tree, and that's less pine needles to sweep up every day. So let me go ahead and cut this down. And cut this down to 3x8. I really don't like having this orange in this picture, so I actually thought about making this into black and white, but I thought I'd leave it. So I was looking for some transparencies to cover over it, and I couldn't find anything. So what I did was, I actually wanted a star transparency, but I don't have one. So I have a box of transparencies here, and I'll link all my supplies down below. I went ahead and printed my own transparency based off of the cozy kit from Felicity Jane. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut one of these down to 3x8 and use this on top so it'll look like this, just covering it just a little bit. So I decided to go ahead and print a full page of this because then I can use the rest of this for something else later. So here I have this, I'm printing that out. And then I watched Amy Gretchen's video yesterday, and it got me motivated to think. She had a bunch of embellishments hanging off here, so I do need to put a number 4. So let me see if I can find a number 4. Here's the number 4. I want to put a tag. So let's see if there's a tag in this die cut packet that came with the kit. Oh, here's a tag. Let's see if there's another tag. I kind of like this Christmas tree, but I feel like too much tree. Or this tree. Nope, still too much tree. Okay, so there's no other tags. So I guess I could use this. Oh, I know. I bought this packet. It's handmade holiday gift wrapping. These are gift tags that I got at Michael's for $3.99, and it came with 16 of them. So it comes like this so that it has some dimension to it. So I'm going to go ahead and peel this off and maybe use this. How would that look? Is that too much? Maybe I'll put a star. I have a star that has a hole in the middle, so I can tie it together like that. Or maybe I can use one of these little baby tags. Well, let's try it. So I have my, what is this, crocodile from We Are Memory Keepers, and it has a small hole punch and a big hole punch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hole punch the 4, and then this has a hole, that has a hole, and then I'm going to punch holes through. I'm going to take this picture out, and then what I'm going to do is punch a hole through this side of the page protector, but not on that side. So I don't know if this is actually going to work, but we're going to give it a shot. I don't know if that's going to work. I probably need to attach that. What I wanted to do was just punch a hole through this. Let's see if I can do that. It's a little bit off, but I'm just going to leave it. Okay, and then I have this little hemp cord, or what is this, a natural cord. I'm going to go ahead and thread this through the picture, the page protector, and the transparency. Oopsie, that's not going to work. Let's see if I can get it in the other way. Seems like it's a little thick for this, but let's try it again. Do I want this tag in there? Yes, I do. Take that back out, put the tag in there. thinking about leaving it like that. Just look like that, and there you have it, my day number 4. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.